I'm in camo, so they can't see me.
Another one.
Oh, yeah. They're gonna be ganged up in there, boys. There he is. There he is, baby. Let's go. Another good one, too. Let's go. Turn around. Let's go. Another nice one, boys. Okay. Popped it up over that rock. It's there. He's just sitting there. Beautiful smallie. That's a nice little fish. Pretty one. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful, baby. There he is. That's a better fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another one. Another awesome Monocacy smallmouth, man. I mean, just look how pretty. Such a beautiful fish. Oh, love it. Thank you. Love it. Man. Absolutely tearing it up. That's the spot right there. I got you now. Whew. Oh, back to back. Another good one. Oh. We must have. Oh, man. Let's go. Another beautiful, beautiful one. Slippery. Whoa. Got him. Oh, he has a good one too. Oh, that's a real good one. Oh. Let's go. Okay, 0 boys. 255. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, baby girl. That's what I'm talking about. That's why we take that extra couple steps. I got right back in. I knew. I said, there's got to be 100% a fish in there. Yes. That's how we go fishing, man. It's so good. A
bounce it twice and you just boom. Oh, I got another good one. Oh, I got another one. Oh, yeah, they're gonna be stacked right here. Let's go. That was beautiful. They're so pretty. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's an absolute hammer. Get off that tree. Oh man, what a beautiful fish. Get up here. Let's go. There's the good one. Whew, he was close too, man. Just curious. $216, boys. 218. There he is. What I tell you? Yeah, get out of there. Yep. I knew you'd be in there, buddy. Let's go. Nice. Nice fish. Beautiful.